Alright, Zach here. This is lesson number 6. What we're going to be doing is a wave. It's basically liquid, but you're doing it through your body. Alright, so you're going to start with your left side, and you're going to go to your right side. Alright, so I'm going to show you how one looks smooth and fluid first, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to break it down so you'll be able to isolate each part of your body, so you'll be able to practice on your own. When you start out, it's going to look a little jerky. That's very common. After practicing a little bit more, it'll look more fluid, and it'll be the way you want it to be. Some people like having it jerky depending on what the music is so they can pop to it. Alright, so this is how one looks fluid. Alright, and the other way. Alright, so now how we're going to do it, we're going to break it down into about 8 different parts. First part, you're going to start with your hand. You're going to go like that. Okay, that's part number 1. Bam. Alright, part number 2 is you're going to go from your hand to your shoulder. Not to your shoulder, to your elbow. So it's like that. Okay, that's part number 2. So this is broken down 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3. The shoulder. Hardest part is the shoulder to the chest. All right. So again, hand, down, shoulder, up, chest, out. Want to really make that exaggerated. Most people think they're opening up their chest, and they're not. If you don't do that, it looks like this. Okay, and it leaves out the entire fluidity of your body. All right. So we're going to start here again. Down. Forearm, shoulder, chest, next is the other shoulder, next comes the elbow, forearm, and hand. Alright? Again, a little slow. Bam. Bam. Alright? Now if you want to break it down into 8 different parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright? Also, when you do a wave, you want to keep every part stopped and isolated, and what I mean by that is you don't want to be doing one motion here and then your other hand doing some other motion while this is going on. Everything needs to be still except for the part that's waving. Okay? So I'm not going to have this hand going here and this hand doing something weird like that at the same time. I'm going to have one part of my body doing something and the other parts of my body are going to be still at all parts, whenever it goes anywhere through the body. If it's going down there, it's staying down there. Alright? But I'm not moving my feet unless it gets down to my feet. I'm not using my other arm unless it gets to my other arm. Alright? That's lesson number 6, waving.